let's start from the basics. I'll show you examples from Retail.com. This is a well-known manufacturer of electrical cabinets. So throughout this course I'm gonna show you examples through this manufacturer. So the first thing would be with the basics of choosing an electrical enclosure cabinet. So let's go to products, and I'll show you a typical enclosure, typical cabinet used in industrial automation, on industrial automation projects. Enclosures, and let's say enclosure systems. TS8 is very common being systems. So let's first see materials used, the color, and so on. As I said, this is a typical example, so as a reference for us. Let's say with 100, height 2000 and depth 600, and let's click on this one, and now see over here the specification. So sheet steel is a basic material commonly used as a material for enclosures, powder coated on the outside. And regarding mounting plate and gland plate, so zinc plated. And in this case the color is 7035 and protection category IP55. Regarding this IP protection, typical example, typical application would require IP54 or 55. In this case, number of doors 1. And for this particular cabinet, you would also need to configure various accessories such as the base, side panels, and so on. We're gonna do that, of course, later on throughout the course. For now, as I said, sheet steel. This is a typical color 7035 and IP54 or 55 as a common example when working on our industrial automation projects in a factory. So no harsh environmental conditions like being outside or near the sea, where you could have additional influence of salt and so on. Another typical material used would be, let's say, products, once again, enclosures. Stainless steel. Let's see the overview. So a sheet steel or stainless steel. Enclosure systems. Let's say this freestanding. Let's pick any one of these just to see the specification. Stainless steel. So that's it for this video, for this lecture. The materials used and the IP protection. In the next one we're gonna cover general types of enclosures regarding size, application, and so on.